Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I will be opening the stuff that I got when I bought my brand new glass. They gave me lots of stuff from it. Today I will show you guys what I get from it. It's from Katie Optic, and let's see what did I get. So this is one thing, two things, are there more? And that's it. There's nothing else in it. Okay, let's see what did I get. Okay, so this it says arm gadget. One is an extra large micro cleaning cloth. The other one, it's a 2 handles and 10 assorted batch heads. Multifunction screw. Working with detail have never been easier. The mini screwdriver kit came in portable pocket with 2 handles and 10 assorted batch heads, suitable for fixing eyewear and most digital products. That made me think about my phone. So this is what it looks like. And the other one is cleaning spray set. That it comes with this environmental friendly cleaner is used for cleaning and coating your lenses to reduce electrostatic, steam and dust. How to use: for universal lens cleaning, spray once or twice on the lenses, then use a clean cloth to rub it gently. Warning: do not spray near the eye area, and do not eat. Do not eat. Okay. And this, what's this? So that's my eye when I first go to the shop. And that's Hoya. But actually the lens I bought is from Hoya. And that's their business card, I think. Lens quality card. Yep. Okay. And I think that's it. There's some paper stuff in it. So this is what my glasses look like, I think. And my lens will be in here, safe and sound. I'll keep it back to where it belongs. In here. Also the business card. And the other one is my dad. No, actually this is mine. The other one is my dad. This is my sight, negative 2.5, both of them. And this is their business card for me. Or maybe this is my card. I have no idea. Oh, I actually got 2. Yeah, Nike. I got 2. Well, my dad only got 1. And that's it. The same as the other one. Now let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so I'll start with the multifunctioning screw, which will be this one. Let's make some space. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, that. Looks like this, and there's also a zip for me to open. Wow. I don't think I would be able to, I would even use this at all. It looks cool. I would definitely keep this as a souvenir. Okay, so that's one. And the next one that I'm going to open is cleaning spray set, which is this. Dogs and kids, very loud. Looks like this. And this is this lens cleaner. Obviously, you press this to eject the liquid from it and put that on your glasses or your screen in the phone. And this is the micro cleaning cloth. So it looks like this. It says the child of famous eyewear. That's it. And the last one is a keychain. So whenever you have a problem with your glasses, I think you can fix it whenever you want. Maybe. This is a working tool. See? That's a screwdriver here. Just like the one in the kit. And the other one looks like this. And the quality of the camera isn't that good. And that one. Cool. Keychain. Just like this, but much smaller, I think. Let me take a look at one. Yep. Something similar to this, but this is portable and can be a keychain. So I think this is foam. Yeah, it's foam because I just damaged one of them. Okay, so this is the set that I get from here. Cloth, keychain and spray. And the last thing that I'm gonna open is an extra large micro cleaning cloth. It says right here, extra large. Let's see what's gonna be inside. As you can see, it's gonna be the same as this one, but it's gonna be extra large. Probably for your computer screen. Look how large this thing is compared to this one. See? It's really big. I'm gonna put this next to it as a scale. And my hand as a scale. You can see how big this is. You can fit like 2 of my hands here. Like that. So thank you guys so much for staying with me till the end, and I will be making more videos, and thank you for your support. And if you like this video, make sure to click that like button because it really helps me a lot, and also comment what you want me to do next in the video so that the product that you're interested in, you can ask me to show you what it is and how good it is before you go and buy it yourself. And now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
By the way,
The micro cleaning cloth extra large is a property to eliminate grease and dirtiness on the surface without leaving any fiber. This high performance microfiber napkin can be used for cleaning your eyewear lenses, camera lenses, smartphone, or even jewelry. As you can see the picture right here.